So I got the package up here. I'm just gonna get it open and we're gonna check it out. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the floor pillow from Society 6. I got the 30 by 30 size pillow. I wasn't sure if people buy them specifically for themselves to sit on or for their pets, but I was thinking definitely as a dog bed, it would be great. First of all, let me introduce you to my dog. Come here. So there's my dog. She's so cute, she's so adorable. She's like 27 pounds, really small dog. Hopefully this bed is big enough, we're gonna see. Okay, so first of all, first impressions of the unboxing, they just kind of shoved this in a box. If you can see that, there's no foil in here, there's nothing really protecting it. I mean, this could have gotten wet, it could have gotten water damage. So first impressions are not the greatest, you know. I see some kind of lint on it right now, just kind of pulling that off. But it's not a big deal, it seems pretty intact. So I honestly don't know if this is the right size for my dog, but I'm gonna test it out real quick. Bed. Oh, it's not bad. It's not too bad. It seems like it's reasonable. I think she could sleep on it. What you think? How do you feel about the bed? Do you like it? I think she likes it. She looks real comfortable. Okay, so I think my dog likes the bed, which is dope. I'm so excited about that. Let me go over the specs a little bit. It's a 30 by 30 round pillow design. I can't remember the name of it, something like hexagon. It has a middle stitch in the middle that kind of binds it all together. It's supposed to seal it and make it tear and rip resistant. So we'll see over time if that's the case. I was really excited about this pattern, and in person, I mean, it is a little different, but it is true to the pictures. I think it's just more round than I expected, but I think it'll be perfect for my dog. I also like the material that's on it. It's like, I don't know how to describe it, maybe like a polyester type of material, but it's kind of more durable than I expected, which is great. I think the material will do really well with a pet like a dog or a cat or whatever type of pet that you have or in mind for these type of pillows. I think it will do well. I'm interested to see how this white will do over time, but I think if you avoid something with white on it like this, maybe you'll have a little more life out of this, but I know this will probably change colors over time, but we'll just have to see to know for sure. I would recommend this product to someone that's looking to get this for their pets. I think it is a good option. You won't find these type of designs in a pet store. It's just not gonna happen. So I think if you're looking for something for your dog that's unique, different, and it's gonna stand out, I think this is a great thing to do. I would say though, this was very expensive, so wait for deals to come on so you can save a little money. When I bought this one, there was a 25% off sale on the entire store, and then there was a 30% promo code that was added to that. So that helped me a lot with the fee, but the shipping fee actually was quite a bit. Shipping was like $15, and it's, to me, that's kind of astronomical. I ship a lot of things throughout the year, so I know that you don't have to have a shipping cost of that size. Maybe it's just the size of the product or the weight of it, I'm not sure. When you go to look for the floor pillow on Society 6, just bear in mind it's going to be pretty expensive, so come to their site when they have a percentage off or some type of deal, some type of bargain, some type of discount, because it is going to help you because it's very expensive. I think this came to about $82. So, and that was after 25 and 30% off. It originally was listed at $89, and then the actual price of the pillow was like 60 something, but then adding that $15 of shipping, that just kind of almost brought it back to the same price. Hopefully this review was helpful to you guys. If not, let me know. If so, let me know. And if you guys like videos like this, I'll do more like this. So let me know if this video was helpful to you guys. If you guys like videos like this, I'll do more like this. And if you're not really feeling them, I will do no more of them, because I want to do stuff that you guys are into. My dog really seems to like the bed. I'm happy with the bed. Zero complaints here. So yeah, check out Society 6 for a really unique pillow.